So I heard earlier in the week, you guys read the book Come On Rain, is that right?
Grant, sit down.
A little bit today. So, sorry, let me get the page I need. Hold this for me. Alright, so, what you guys talked about, how many of you talked about leads with Mrs. Mays this week? How to start the story, how you guys start the story? Can you talk about that? Can somebody tell me what a lead is or how you would start your story? It's a topic sentence, that's right. So, as we know, authors try out different topic sentences or different leads. We all know that a great lead in a story matters, right? So a great lead can set up a great story, and great writers know that the lead of a story can help the rest of the story kind of pour out or come together, right? So one way to learn to do something is to see how famous writers, like the author of Come On Rain, might do a lead, okay? So in a minute we're gonna read the beginning of Come On Rain to kind of remember how Karen Hesse, the author of the book, starts her lead, okay? Does that sound okay? So let's look again at what the author of the book that we read earlier in the week has done. So will you open up to the pink sticky note for me? All right, thank you. All right. So this is Come On Rain by Karen Hesse. Come on rain, I say, squinting into the endless heat. Mama lifts a listless vine and sighs. 3 weeks and not a drop, she says, sagging over her dead plants. The sound of a heavy truck rumbles past. Uneasy, Mama looks over at me. Is that thunder, Tessie, she asks. Mama hates thunder. I climb up the steps for a better look. It's just a truck, Mama, I say. All right, so that's how Karen Hesse creates her lead and starts Come On Rain. So, I'm thinking, what has Karen done that I can do to start a story? So I want you guys to all turn to a partner, and I want you to talk about what Karen Hesse does that we can do as writers. How does she start her story?
Yeah, she writes what she's saying. She's kind of saying like what's happening. Something like she's setting up what's happening. Like she's saying,
I nearly called you Chase. A.K.
All right, finish up what you're saying and then turn back towards the front for me.
I wrote down some people call me Steve. On the bus things and my name
All right, guys, finish up and look back towards me, please. All right, can somebody share what you and your partner talked about? Yeah.
Start like you're just starting what it's doing.
Yeah. What about you? You get right into the story. And how did Karen Hesse get right into the story? Yeah, she had somebody doing an action. That's right. What else?
Oh. Focus.
Okay. Yeah, good job. Yeah, so she's having one of the characters talk and do something right away. That's right. All great answers, guys. So the first thing that I noticed that Karen Hesse did was that she has Tessie doing a small action and very precise. So that's something that a few of you had said, right? She's saying, "Come on, Lorraine," while talking outside. And ironically, it's snowing, which is water, right? While squinting into the endless heat. Does anyone know what squinting means? Yeah.
It's like kind of closing your eyes but keeping them open a little bit.
Yeah, can you show everybody what that looks like? Squinting. Good job. So if this were a play, as soon as the curtain opened, the main character would be up on stage doing something.
What door?
The main character is who? Hesse. So, what I'm noticing is that leads sometimes include two things, okay? I wrote this up on the paper, right? So leads can include the main character saying or thinking something. That's what Tessie did, right? She said something, and then the main character can be doing something. So Tessie did both, right? She said something and she did something. The other thing that I noticed is that Hesse really plops us right into the story by including the exact actions of what Tessie's mother is doing, right? By looking at the plants, sitting on the ground. So is there anything in that Hesse does in her lead that we could do? You guys, do any of you have your characters in your stories saying something right away? Yeah, what about doing something? No? Kind of both? All right. So, I'm gonna reread the story one more time. I want you guys to all close your eyes and think about what Karen Hesse has Tessie and her mother doing right away, okay? Come on, Rain, I say, squinting into the endless heat. Mama lifts a liftless vine in size. 3 weeks and not a drop, she says, sagging over her parched plants. The sound of a heavy truck rumbles past. Uneasy, Mama looks over to me. Is that thunder, Tessie? She asks. Mama hates thunder. I climb up the steps for a better look. It's just a truck, Mama, I say. All right, I want you guys to all open your eyes and turn to a partner and talk about ways that you are either having your main character say, think, or do something. Okay, does that make sense? In your story, I want you to think about talk to a partner about what you are having your main character do.
Max, you can talk to Ava or Isaac. You guys should talk together. Turn around. So what's something you could have your characters do? Max, your character talks right away, doesn't he? What does your character say? Your character's talking. What is your character saying? Do you remember? How do you start your story? Ava,
What you're saying and then turn back.
what's your character doing at the beginning, or how do you start your story?
I start my story with beginning how it's starting to get exciting.
All right, can everyone look back towards me really quick?
Then it goes
All right, what are some
exciting at the end
things
again.
that you and your partner talked about in your stories? What are some ways that you guys are doing this in your lead? Anyone have any examples? You ran to the basement, so you're the main character. So Ellie's main character was saying something in the lead, okay? So we have two people doing something and saying something. Those are great examples. Thanks, guys. All right, so when we're done here, I want you guys to all go over and grab your writer's notebooks, and then I want you to meet with a partner, okay? To talk about the leads that you have written down, all right? So yesterday we talked about how having a partner, you can talk to your partner about ways that you can improve your lead, okay? And having a partner can sometimes help you improve what you have already written, right? A little bit. All right, so I want you guys to all go grab your writer's notebooks and find a partner.
Grab your packets and go to the same partner you had yesterday.
I